are all I made homemade plums. And this one, after I eat, I have to eat 1 tablespoon or minatamis na plums. I want to make jam because nobody ate this one. Some already I dried, but so better I make jam here. With seeds and with skin. No problem. Because this only village homemade jam. This is not commercial, so include also this skin. You see too much I have to make, but not too much because I have extra for make dry. So I make also jam. Let's start now to make homemade plums jam. I cook here in wood because if you cook in stove, then too much spend gasol. So there is no added water here and just a sugar, but I will not put all this sugar. Just I will try if they like to, if they want this plums jam. I think everyone knows how to make jam. Every year when there is a season for plums, I make little jam on also, and also this apricot, but this year I did not make apricot jam, only this plums. You see that natural water. And very simple to make this homemade jam. You can make apricot jam, mango jam, apple jam, plums jam, or whatever, peach jam, figs jam, or anything. Still we have to cook more. When it's already sticky, then it will become jam. Red na red ang plums jam. Minatamis na plums. After you eat, this is good for dessert. Just eat 1 tablespoon like that, or you can put also in bread or whatsoever bread, palaman kumbaga. This is my homemade jam. This is my own version to make jam. I did not remove skin and also the seeds. So I save gasol instead of cooking in gasol. So I save. Now let's check my homemade plums jam. So this is already cooked. As you can see, now it's already sticky. Very easy and not too much time to cook this jam. Very quick to cook, even in wood fire. And the sweet is not too much sugar because I don't like too much sugar. So this is good because this is not commercial, so enough sugar. When it will become cold, then I will put in jar or bottle.